Yo, Marcus, you send that one in an email to them. No joke thing. Like, right now. Cause before that reach them head bust out. Hear me now, man? Tell them me now. Mumbo gold, you know hot Ross. You flap steel, them catch you up on armor and yam ox tail. You are in a pool a drink cocktail with the head underneath slash a frack tail. Fighter, keep your fuck heel. Any funny move and a bust like champagne. To own me a fuck up the road. Everybody have to go in the wrong lane. Be a sitting, 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 be a sitting. People, listen good to the truth. Nobody can good with the youth. Me so create your man, good for the boss. You know see the rest loose. You talk about Marcus, sell out to the market. From him link popcorn, you start vex. I know our fault, papi tell you, go suck your mother pan. YVA's red carpet. Yo purse, you are the list. Ask anybody about this. You know anything going on? I'm Marcus Records for life, and nothing I gonna change. You see we? Oh, and I done. I wanna take program. You see me? Some youth want to how to live a life. Marcus, tell them so the mark expire from and I'm money no man. I want to them. Never sell out, never switch. Must, boss, tell them you know.